very happy to have me as a best friend. And whatever we ate is so absolutely delicious. I think you should come and try this place. This is an Instagram place I saved long time back.
And look at that. Black one. They're black.
This one.
Yeah.
Hey you guys, very good morning. Welcome back to my channel. So this is going to be a very simple vlog of what I do for a Saturday in my life, right? It's not like all the Saturdays I'd be doing this, but I thought I'll take you through the first Saturday of January with me and show you what all I do around, right? So let's go ahead. Honestly, I've not even, brushed my teeth. I just woke up and it's, I think, 9:45 or so. So I'm not a very early riser usually. Not only on Saturdays, on every single day. And I'm trying to make that as a habit right now, but not yet reached there. So today I just woke up at 9:45, lazing out. And then I just thought I'll vlog a day in my life that is a Saturday in my life. So I just thought of taking you guys around and showing all the things I do, right? And now the thing about my Saturdays are mostly that, I would like to chill and sit back at home. I've been a lot of outgoing person out there. Initially I used to go out every Saturday, every Sunday, in fact every alternate days, to cafes, to restaurants, to say different clubs, to try out different activities in Bangalore. But ever since I've had summer and winter, it's been more or less like a chill Saturday at home, or taking them out, taking them for a walk, taking them around, because most of my priorities has been them. So that's how my Saturday has changed. So right now I will show you that, what I do along with them for a day out there, and what are the activities I would actually like to indulge in on a Saturday, right? So stay tuned, watch the entire video till the end, because there's going to be a lot of characters added on in every activity I do, and that's going to be fun. We'll see how we explore places in Bangalore. We'll see what we do on a Saturday in Bangalore with all of these different characters, right? So stay tuned. Right now I'm just gonna go get a quick brush, wash my face, and I think I was quite craving for this IDC open butter masala dosa, so I thought I'll start with that. And my boys haven't had breakfast yet, so they're very adaptable actually. Even though I wake up late, they're also very adaptable, that we wait till mama wakes up. They don't irritate you actually, but the other one, the winter, the younger one, is a little irritating. He would kind of jump on you and be like, wake up, I want to eat food right now. Summer, on the other hand, is very peaceful and patient out there with all of these factors, because he also knows that mama has 2 days in a week. She's come home and she wants to rest for all these 2 days in a week, so that's why he doesn't bug me a lot. However, we need to feed them breakfast as well. Let's get a quick brush, quick face wash, and step out for good masala dosa out there, right? So I'm all fresh right now, and I'm just, looking forward to serve breakfast to my boys. I should actually show you, they're here, right down waiting. See, Summer's here. Say hi, Summer. Okay, thank you. Okay, I'll show you Winter as well. Come here. So here is Winter waiting. These two boys are waiting for breakfast. My pineapples. Mama, I'll give you breakfast. So I'll quickly serve them breakfast, and I'm just thinking of stepping out. I feel a little fresh because just a basic face wash. I thought of taking shower, but I'll just come back because post that I have to step out anyway. So I need to take a shower as well. So right now I'll serve them breakfast, have a cup of my green tea. Sorry, there was my boys trying to disturb. So I'll have a cup of my green tea very quickly, and we shall rush to eat a dosa and then come back and get ready. A lot of things to do today, so I need to be a little quick because I'm always late, while getting ready. I get so confused in what to wear. I get so confused in, what makeup to wear and so many other things. And I just waste so much of my time. And then because of getting confused, I start lazing as well. So guys, I did a brush. I washed my face. But post that, I was recording the video and my backup of storage was completely exhausted. So basically I was trying to fix the storage issue, which took me 30 minutes, and I don't think I can eat breakfast because my friend Rupal is going to kill me. Because what she's done is her office is taking her for a movie, right? And she could get her family along, and she told I'm her sister, and so me being her sister cannot be late to pick her up and then reach the place. So I think we'll grab breakfast somewhere after picking Rupal up. For now, I would want to feed my boys. You can see inside there, Summer is sitting. And I don't want to keep them starving. Feed them quickly. Grab a green tea. I'll go take a good shower and dress up. I need to step out by 11:30 to 11 at least. So I could pick her because the show is of 12:50. I just hope I make it. Okay, so it's already I think 11:10, and I have done the basic things. What I do usually for a very slow morning is light agarbatti, keep sambrani, and go ahead and chill for some time, watch Netflix. But since today I don't have the time, I at least lit the agarbatti. I fed the boys. I had a green tea. Spent some time with the boys in the balcony. Now I need to super rush, like super rush, because I gotta take a shower, I gotta get ready, and that's the most, time consuming part. And post that, I gotta feed the boys again. I mean, I need to put their lunch and put them in the room as well, keep them in, and I need to rush out. So I have 30 minutes sticking from here to do everything. Let's see how I manage. I'm trying to figure out what to be worn. Most confusing part of the day is this, but I think so, I don't want to repeat also, and I kind of like the clothes I have also to be repeated, so I get so confused. Okay, I think I've decided what to wear. I need to iron this, and I think I'm wearing this top, and it's good to go for the day. Quickly get a shower. So I'll just turn on, the geyser is on, thankfully. I'm just going to get a shower very quickly, and then we'll get ready with me for the day out. Oh, so somehow I took shower and I ironed my pant, and I'm all set to go in terms of my outfit. I need to do a very quick makeup because my face looks so bad right now. Do makeup, and I don't think I need a hairdo because my hair is pretty okay. Like, I mean, I can balance this for the day. I'm not going to do hair, I'm going to do makeup very quickly and then rush. So I think I'm done with my makeup and I'm all good to go. But I'm late. I think it's already 11:50. I need to quickly. I'm very confused about should I wear boots or should I wear heels.
2 hours later.
So I'm all ready, my friends. I mean, Rupal is calling me back to back. I don't know if you can see my boots, but I'm wearing boots and I'm all ready. I feel I'm looking good. It's all good to go. I need to grab a jacket, quickly leave from home because she's screwing me up. Now all I gotta do is just feed the boys, feed them food. I finally reached and met Rupal here. So we are heading to which mall?
Garuda Mall something.
Yeah, Garuda Mall to watch movie. She herself doesn't know where we are going, but we are somehow going to go. And I hope we reach on time for the movie.
We have only 10 minutes.
Okay, sorry guys. I need to go. Bye.
My friends, my family's growth is upon us.
So we are done with the movie. This shameless person has, introduced me as a sister in her organization, for which I ate 2 free popcorns. I watched Mufasa the Lion King. Very good movie it was. I mean, we were very bored because we're not kids anymore, but it was fine to eat 2 free popcorns because both of us skipped our breakfast. So you already know I was planning for IDC, and because of this bitch I had to skip it. So I don't know why she skipped. She also very moody girl. So now we are going for lunch. We are still finalizing the place.
Heels, man. Look at that. Black one. They're black.
This one.
एक साइड दो और दो साइड
Rupal being empathetic. I mean sympathetic. Oh, she's asking for samosa also now.
She wants samosa also.
Why don't you call her up with us to eat our pizza and french fries? Hey guys, we are at Delicia and whatever we ate was so good. It's called the chocolate strawberry catio and whatever we ate is so absolutely delicious. I think you should come and try out this place. This is an Instagram place I saved long time back and I came down here to try it out. Approached Delicia and I mean we had one of the best desserts ever, and I also put their story in. Rupal is slowly trying to walk. I don't know how will I walk with my boots I'm wearing, but I'm slowly trying to walk in. She's already reached and we're trying to manage through. Today was a very very good day and this is Delicia. You really should try out this place. I mean it's so amazing, like the pastries what they make is so delicious. I tried something so good as this, and that's a place. So Rupal is very happy to have me as a best friend, blessed to have me because I picked the best places. We ate a lot in Chinlungs. It was a good place, and then we came for desserts to Delicia, and I think we're calling it off a day right now. I'll drop her to wherever she wants to go, which she's smiling about, and I'll get dropped home. Hey guys, we reached home at 7 and I think both of our drinks are a little strong, so both of us dozed off. I dropped her on the way back to wherever she wanted to go and I came home. I got some ice apples on my way home, and as soon as I came home I got so fucking tired because I think we're out from morning 12 and it was a lot of effort of getting ready in the morning, doing multiple other things. We got ready without breakfast, we stepped out, we watched the movie, then we went to Chinlung Brewery, then we went to Delicia. So we had multiple back to back travel. Right now I'm ending this vlog here and I think so you would definitely like this vlog because I took you around to two places along with me, and in fact also watched a little bit of movie, got ready along with you, and you also know some of my favorite things while getting ready right now. So do like, share, subscribe my video, and if you like, share, subscribe, comment below, then I'll be able to get more support from your end to make similar such kind of content, and I'm really looking forward to that, right? So that's it from my end for this vlog, and my dogs are pretty happy because I'm back. They're having good food. So stay tuned and we'll see you in the next vlog. Thank you so much.